Hello all, welcome to Your Schemes. I am Ilakya. I hope you are all doing well. Indusind Bank has recently revised its fixed deposit interest rate. This bank is now offering up to 8.25%. So today in this video, we are going to see new interest rate for general public and senior citizens. Lastly, we will see how much you will get if you invest 5 lakh for the highest interest rate offered by Indusind Bank. Without further ado, let's start the video. We bring to you latest bank news and financial updates. We also talk about LIC policies, post office schemes and mutual funds. So please make sure to subscribe to Your Schemes and hit the bell icon. For a tenure of up to 6 months, general public will get 5%, senior citizens 5.75%. For a tenure of 1 year, 7.50% for general public and 8.25% for senior citizens. And for deposits maturing between 1 year 6 months, general public will get 7.85% and senior citizens will get 8.25%. For 2 years, 7.25% for general public, 8% will be offered to senior citizens. For 3 years, 7.25 will be offered to general public, 8% will be offered to senior citizens. For a tenure of 5 years, 7% for general public and 7.75% for senior citizens. From the list, we see that the highest interest rate for general public is 7.85% and for senior citizen, the highest interest rate is 8.25%. This is for a tenure of 1 year and 6 months. So if you want to make a fixed deposit in Indusind Bank, you can choose this tenure. Now let's see how much you will earn if you invest 5 lakh for an interest rate of 7.85% and tenure of 1 year 6 months. The total maturity amount that you are going to get is 5,61,840 rupees. The interest that you are going to earn is 61,840 rupees for a tenure of 1 year and 6 months. And for senior citizens, with an interest rate of 8.25% and investment amount of 5 lakh, you will get a maturity amount of 5,65,154 rupees. The interest that you are going to earn for 1 year and 6 months will be 65,154 rupees. Indusind Bank is really offering very good interest rate on 1 year, 2 year and 3 year deposits. Plus, fixed deposits are of zero risk and it gives you guaranteed returns. It is also backed by Government of India. It has an insurance cover of 5 lakh for each depositors. In this channel, we regularly update bank news and latest interest rates. So please make sure to subscribe to Your Schemes and hit the bell icon. If you feel this information was helpful, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.